Hi, this is Dr. Rajeshwar from YR PharmaTube. In the last lesson of sulfonamides, we learned sulfametazole, sulfisoxazole, and sulfamethazine. Hit the I button on top right of this video to watch it. For the other related topics of sulfonamides and medicinal chemistry, links are given in the description below this video. Watch them. In this lesson, we shall discuss few other sulfonamide derivatives such as sulfacetamide, sulfapyridine, and sulfamethoxazole. The first drug of this class is sulfacetamide. Sulfacetamide is a synthetic sulfonyl acetamide derivative with bacteriostatic activity. Its scientific name is N,4-aminophenyl sulfonyl acetamide. It is an organic compound containing a benzene sulfonamide moiety with an amine group attached to the benzene group. In other words, it is a sulfonamide acetylated on the sulfonamide nitrogen. Thus, it is a substituted aniline and a N-sulfonyl carboxamide. It is a conjugate acid of a sulfacetamide. It has a role as an antimicrobial agent, an anti-infective agent, a dihydroteroate synthase inhibitor, and an antibacterial drug. Sulfacetamide is synthesized either by direct alkylation of acetamide with 4-aminobenzene sulfonyl chloride or by reacting 4-aminobenzene sulfonamide with acetic anhydride and subsequent selective reductive deacylation of the resultant acetamide using a system of zinc sodium hydroxide. Acetamide is a white crystalline powder soluble in water and in alcohol. It is very soluble in hot water and its water solution is acidic. It is stable under normal temperatures and pressures. It has a pKa of 5.4. Acetamide blocks the synthesis of dihydrofolic acid by inhibiting the enzyme dihydroteroate synthase. It is a competitive inhibitor of bacterial PABA, that is para-aminobenzoic acid. PABA is required for bacterial synthesis of folic acid and it is an essential component for bacterial growth. The multiplication of bacteria is therefore inhibited by the action of sulfacetamide. Sulfacetamide is sold under the brand name Claron or Oves. With a broad spectrum of action, it is used as an infective topical agent to treat skin infections and as an oral agent for urinary tract infections. It has been investigated for use in the treatment of pityriasis versicolor and rosacea. It also has anti-inflammatory properties when used to treat blepharitis or conjunctivitis. Sulfacetamide as a medicine is available as a solution, eye drops, lotion, and powder. It can also be found in the form of the sodium salt, that is sulfacetamide sodium. The next drug is sulfapyridine. Sulfapyridine was discovered by Lionel Whitby in 1937. It was one of the first generation of sulfonamide. It is a short-acting sulfonamide antibiotic and byproduct of the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug sulfasalazine. It is a sulfonamide consisting of pyridine with a 4-aminobenzene sulfonamide group at the second position. Its IUPAC name is N1,2-pyridyl sulfanilamide. It is a member of pyridines, a sulfonamide, a substituted aniline, and a sulfonamide antibiotic. It has a role as an anti-infective agent, a dermatological drug, a xenobiotic, an environmental contaminant, and a drug allergen. Sulfapyridine is synthesized by an analogous method of other sulfonamides in which 4-acetylamino-benzene sulfonyl chloride initially reacts with 2-aminopyridine followed by acid hydrolysis. Sulfapyridine is a white, crystalline, odorless and tasteless substance. It is stable in air but slowly darkens on exposure to light. It is soluble in water, in alcohol, and in acetone. It is freely soluble in dilute mineral acids and aqueous solutions of sodium and potassium hydroxide. The pKa is 8.4. The mechanism of action of sulfapyridine is similar to other sulfonamides. Sulfapyridine was the first drug to have an outstanding curative action on pneumonia. It gave impetus to the study of the whole class of N1 heterocyclically substituted derivatives of sulfonilamides. Because of its toxicity, it is used only for dermatitis herpetiformis. It is no longer prescribed for the treatment of infections in humans. However, it may be used to treat linear immunoglobulin A disease and has use in veterinary medicine. And the last drug of this lesson is sulfamethoxazole. Sulfamethoxazole was introduced in US in 1961. It is now mostly used in combination with trimethoprim. It is chemically 4-amino N5-methyl 3-isoxazolyl benzene sulfonamide or N1,5-methyl 3-isoxazolyl sulfanilamide. It is an isoxazole, that is 1,2-oxazole compound having a methyl substituent at the fifth position and a 4-amino benzene sulfonamide group at the third position. It is a sulfonamide drug closely related to sulfisoxazole in chemical structure and antimicrobial activity. It is a sulfonamide, a member of isoxazoles, a substituted aniline, and a sulfonamide antibiotic. It has a role as an antibacterial agent, an anti-infective agent, an epitope, a dihydroteroate synthase inhibitor, an antimicrobial agent, a P450 inhibitor, an environmental contaminant, a xenobiotic, and a drug allergen. To synthesize sulfamethoxazole, acetanilide is chlorosulfonylated to form 4-acetylamino benzene sulfonyl chloride. This is then reacted with 3-amino 5-methyl isoxazole to yield a compound which is subjected to alkaline hydrolysis produces the desired sulfamethoxazole. 3-amino 5-methyl isoxazole is prepared by reacting beta diketone with 2 molecules of hydroxylamine. Sulfamethoxazole occurs as a tasteless, odorless, almost white crystalline powder. The solubility of sulfamethoxazole in the pH range of 5.5 to 7.4 is slightly lower than that of sulfisoxazole but higher than that of sulfadiazine, sulfamerazine, and sulfamethazine. Its plasma half-life is about 11 hours. Sulfamethoxazole interferes with folic acid synthesis in susceptible bacteria. It is generally given in combination with trimethoprim, which inhibits a sequential step in bacterial folic acid synthesis. These agents work synergistically to block 2 consecutive steps in the biosynthesis of nucleic acids and proteins, which are necessary for bacterial growth and division, and using them in conjunction helps to slow the development of bacterial resistance. Sulfamethoxazole is used for bacterial infections such as urinary tract infections, bronchitis, and prostatitis, and it is effective against both gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria such as Listeria monocytogenes and E. coli. It is a sulfonamide bacteriostatic antibiotic that is most commonly used in combination with trimethoprim as the drug Bactrim. In this combination, it is useful for the treatment of a variety of bacterial infections, including those of urinary, respiratory, and gastrointestinal tracts. This is the list of references followed for the lesson. That's all in this video. The sulfonamide individual drugs sulfacetamide, sulfapyridine, and sulfamethoxazole. We will discuss the other sulfonamide drugs in the next lesson. Till then, never stop learning and never stop watching my videos. Thank you for watching this video.